Hey friends, today I'm super excited to tell you all about something that's seriously changing the game, Chat GPT 5. If you think you've seen it all with previous versions, wait till you hear what's new. So grab your chai, get comfortable, and let's dive right in. First up, the most impressive upgrade. Chat GPT 5 now understands context like never before. Imagine you're chatting about travel, then suddenly switch to cricket. No problem. It'll remember your preferences and keep the conversation flowing, almost like your own personal assistant who actually listens. Now let me talk about creativity. Chat GPT 5 is a powerhouse when it comes to generating ideas. Whether you want help with coding, writing poetry, or brainstorming your next big startup, it's got your back. And yes, it can even crack those jokes only your friends get. One feature I love is its ability to analyze images and videos. You just upload a picture, and Chat GPT 5 can describe it, suggest edits, or even tell you what filters to use for Instagram. It's like carrying an expert in your pocket 24/7. And for my fellow Indians, great news. Chat GPT 5 supports multiple regional languages, including Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Bengali, and more. Ask your questions in English or pure Hindi, it'll reply with just the right touch. Pretty cool, right? Security is another area where Chat GPT 5 truly shines. Conversations are more private and your data gets extra layers of protection, so you can chat, brainstorm, or even vent without worrying about privacy. Let's not forget speed. This version is super fast. No more waiting for long responses. You ask, you get instant answers, whether you're on your phone, laptop, or even a smartwatch. To sum it up, Chat GPT 5 is smarter, faster, and more personal than ever. It can help you learn, create, and solve problems in ways we couldn't imagine just a year ago. So tell me in the comments, what would you use Chat GPT 5 for? Don't forget to like, share, and of course, subscribe for more tech updates. This is your friend signing off. Stay curious, stay techie.